All right, everybody, Vanessa and I this week, we put together this super fun lesson plan that talks about planning for a vacation or a trip. And so we are going to be going to Hawaii. So that's the story that we would be telling with our class. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a rundown with the pictures. All those pictures are some of our vocabulary words, and then some props that we can use in that activity that would be the teach the material portion of our lesson. So we tell students that we're going to Hawaii today. That's super exciting. And so we get some students to maybe get up and help prepare with me. So we need to get ready to go to Hawaii. So the first thing we need to do is to book a flight. How do you book a flight? You can use your phone, you can book a flight, or your computer like in this picture, and you're going to book a flight. You're going to buy a ticket, book a flight. And then would you guys like to stay at a hotel or a camp? And then we'd give them a chance. So if you're staying at a hotel, then you need to book a hotel as well. So you can go on your phone and you book your hotel, you pay for it, you have your hotel reservation ready. So you book a hotel. And then it's time to pack our bags and get ready for a trip. So that's the portion that we would bring some props in. There are a lot of authors that write about TPRS that they talk about using props and how it's very involving for students. So I have here my bag. I would bring a bag and display a few items on the table and ask different students to come and help us decide. So we're packing our bag and we need to take a few things. So some of those things could be a book. Would you guys like to bring a book? They may say yes or no. If they say yes, book goes into the suitcase. If they say no, just stays on the table. Our headphones. Should we bring our headphones to Hawaii to listen to music on our flight? And then we packed our headphones. And then we packed our sunscreen. And then we packed a swimming suit for swimming, our swimming suit in the bag, and a sun hat to use in Hawaii. And so we pack our bags, and now we are ready to go. And we would, walk kind of around, pulling the bag around the classroom, have a student, be ready to board the plane. And then we board the plane, and we're flying and excited. And then we get to Hawaii and we lost our luggage. Our bags, our luggage, we lost it. Oh no, now we have to look for our luggage at the airport. And so at this point, we'd have different students just walk around and, pretend to look for the luggage. Somebody can hide actually the bag, and then we look for it. We lost our luggage. And now we're so tired and hungry. And we found our luggage. Yay! We found our luggage. But now we're so tired and hungry. And we need to book a restaurant to eat. So we booked a flight. We booked a hotel. Now we're going to book a restaurant to eat. So we booked a restaurant and we ate. And now it's time to get settled. So you guys didn't choose camping. That's if you had chosen camping, this will be your view. We're not setting up a tent because we didn't choose camping. But you're going to go and check in into your hotel and get your key and go to your room. So this is kind of, what we're going for. I did a run practice of telling the story with my daughter and my niece. It was definitely different. Having them give input, things get a little longer, and I just think this is a super fun method, and I think it would make for a super fun lesson that students would love. And I hope you guys check out our lesson plan and enjoy it.